Good morning, everyone. I am Hilshin Sitamundong, your discussant for today, and I will be discussing the remaining challenges in contemporary literature. So, without further ado, let us start. 13. Convergence culture, obliterating former distinctions between media. Books becoming one minor aspect of huge tweet, blog, comics, games, soundtrack, television, cinema, ancillary, merchandise profane franchises. To further understand, cultural convergence is the theory that two cultures will be more like each other as their interactions increase. One example of cultural convergence is the use of technology. So convergence culture is a term coined by Henry Jenskin in his book that was published in 2006. The term is used to describe a new era of plantation where modern and traditional media integrated. This convergence can have both positive and negative effects. Despite of many exciting youth creation, there are also conflict opposing ideologies collide. One of it is the book itself. Nowadays, many people will choose e-book rather than those printed published literatures, as e-books are more accessible. 14. Unstable computer and cell phone interfaces becoming world's primary means of cultural access. Compositor systems remake media in their own hybrid Creole image. So technology is being convenient in this period because as before contemporary time, it was very hard to many people to learn other cultures, traditions, and so on. But nowadays, with the use of technology, it is easy for us to know or learn other cultures in just one click in our smartphones. Due to that, we don't need to read their literary works. However, some scholars and experts did not include this challenge in contemporary literature. 15. Scholars step within the disciplines becoming cross-linked jack of all trades virtual intelligentsia. So jack of all trades refers to people who have covered knowledge in many skills rather than focusing on one concept or area of expertise. It is one of the challenges faced in contemporary literature when many writers nowadays don't have specific genres incomes in literature, as some writers tend to write all types of genres, not like before contemporary literature. Writers have specific genres. For instance, if their genre is romance, then they will only focus or stick with that. As a result, cross-linking happens and various disciplines in diversity of critical practices in writing arise from it. Next, academic education system suffering severe bubble inflation. Since contemporary literature began at the end of World War II, there are rapid estimation of writers concerning political and social viewpoints. During this time, the academic system introduces some subjects including philosophy and literature. Moreover, language awareness is one of the aspects of this. This becomes challenged in contemporary literature as some communities are multilingual. For instance, here in the Philippines, wherein some communities don't have a specific language, like here in Tarlac. There are different languages which are Tagalog, Kapampangan, Ilocano, and so on. Due to that, we can able to improve our educational system that affects both writing and reading in contemporary literature. 17. Polarizing civil Cold War is harmful to intellectual honesty. So civil wars refers to the conflict between the citizens of a country. The issues about economic interests, cultural values, control of the states or country, and slavery are some of the major focuses of civil war. The increasing production of literature reflecting issues globally prominent. So what happened during the war affects the people. So the tendency for biased opinions, misleading impressions, and misconception can affect the understanding in literature. That's why only few writers write about political issues as it's very hard and dangerous to say something nowadays. So these writers should be aware to their words, as this can cause a war between other countries. The last challenge in contemporary literature is the Gothic fate of porcelain poetry is the specter at this dwindling feast. So because of the rapid increase of numerous forms in literature, poets face challenges in this field, as the development of technology and majority of people's reaction to this seems a challenge for the writers. So how the writers artfully present more complex ideas is a test for them, since there are increase of literature with different forms. That's all from my report. Thank you for listening and have a good day, everyone.